reverse tabletop. Start by planting your feet in front of your hips. Bring your palms behind your hips. Now your fingers can face forward, east and west, or behind you, depending on how much of a wrist stretch you want. Either way, spread your fingers wide, gripping the mat with the fingers and knuckles. Now plant all four corners of your feet on the mat firmly. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Lift the hips until you feel an opening in the front of the chest, eyes up above you. Deep breaths in, long breaths out. Now if you want to play with some core work in reverse tabletop, take a deep breath in, breathe out, shift your weight to your right foot and your left hand, then tap your left toes with your right hand. Big breath in, breathe out, release. Big breath in, breathe out, shift your weight to your left foot, your right hand, tap your left fingertips to your right toes. Big breath in, breathe out, release. Now pick up the pace. Breathe in, tap, breathe out, release. Breathe in, tap, breathe out, release.